Hello, fourth grade. This is Ms. Trevino. This video is for Miss Nixon's kiddos. I'm going to be giving you some reading assistance for your police rescue passage questions. So if no one at home can read you these questions, you can use my video to read you the questions and the answer choices, okay? So you're going to come here to classwork to 4/6/2020, Monday. Okay, it's going to be this News ELA Police Rescue Passage. Okay, so you're gonna read the passage, which is right here in this this link, and then here's where you're gonna have the questions. I would have both of them open. I would have this news article open. That way you can read it and go back to it. And then I would also have your questions open. Okay. So if you have my video reading to you, that needs to be on a separate tab. Then you have your article, and then you have your questions. That way, after I read you a question, you can pause the video. You can go back and look for the answer, and then you can answer it, okay? And then you can come back to my video and press play. Okay, so make sure you type in your name. Let's do the first question. Which sentence from the section, Police Officer Buys Birthday Cake, explains why the mother was walking at night? Was it because she said she did not have a cake? The woman had walked almost 2 miles in the cold? She had wanted to get her daughter some balloons? Boney praised the mother. Okay, so which sentence explains why the mother was walking at night? So this is where you can pause the video and go look for the answer and answer the question and then come back. Okay, number 2, read the paragraph from the section, Police Officer Buys Birthday Cake. It was awesome to meet the birthday girl, Wilson said. My favorite reaction was seeing her and the rest of the kids blow the candle out. All it takes is a little love and compassion for one another. It was a special moment for me to give that family a memorable experience. Which question is answered in this paragraph? How did Officer Wilson feel about being at the birthday party? How did the birthday girl feel about blowing the candle out? How many kids did it take to blow the birthday candle out? Or how was Officer Wilson able to record the birthday party? Number 3. When did Officers Boney and Wilson do first? What did Officer Boney and Wilson do first in the article? They sang happy birthday to the family. They offered the mother a ride home. They bought a cake. They bought a birthday cake. Or they spotted a woman holding balloons. According to the section, A Celebration to Remember, why did Officers Boney and Wilson give the mother a ride home? The mother asked the officers for a ride. The officers wanted to protect the mother from the cold. The mother invited the officers to a birthday party. The officers wanted to get praise for helping the mother. This article is written in first person, second person, or third person. Remember those keywords that help you figure out which point of view it's coming from, okay? There's a lot of keywords. What was the author's purpose for writing this article? Okay, answer in complete sentences, please. Don't forget to submit. Don't forget to click submit or else it won't save your answers. Okay? So good luck and let me know if you need anything.